Hello everyone, once again welcome back to Ayurvani Enlighten Your Life. Today let's see about Vyadhi Kshamatwa, that is immunity, which is the most important thing nowadays. First, what is Vyadhi Kshamatwa? It is the power of the body which prevents the development of disease or resists the onset of developed disease is called Vyadhi Kshamatwa. The resistive power of disease by the body differs from person to person. It depends upon Bala, Prakriti, DESHA, Kala and Ojas. First, Bala. It is the natural inherent strength, power of the body which is responsible for health. Next, Prakriti. It is the primary constitution of an individual. For example, Vata Prakriti person will have poor Vyadhi Kshamatwa and Kapha Prakriti will have good Bala and least number of diseases. Next, Desha. People who dwell in Jangla Desha are said to be suffering from less disease. Next, Kala. Sudden solstice in young people is said to have maximum Vyadhi Kshamatva. Next, Ojas. As Bala is derived from excellency of healthy dhatus, Ojas also contributes Bala and finally enhances general health and also Vyadhi Kshamatva. The classification of Vyadhi Kshamatva are Sahaja, Kalaja and Yuktikrita. First, Sahaja. It is the inherent Bala attained due to excellence of components of the body. It is formed from the time of formation of fetus based on excellence of semen and menstrual blood. Second, Kalaja. The strength attained by the individual due to the impact of seasonal variation and aging phenomenon is called Kalaja Bala, which is temporary. The best Bala is seen during Visarga Kala and in youths, and the Bala deteriorates naturally during northern solstice and Vridhavastha, that is old age. Next, Yuktikrita. It is an acquired Bala gained by planned implementation of combination of diet, medication and other regimen by the patient as planned by the physician. Now, some of the measures for enhancing immunity are: drink warm water throughout the day, daily practice yogasana, pranayama and meditation at least for 30 minutes, take spices like turmeric, cumin, coriander and garlic. Simple Ayurvedic procedures that can be practiced daily are nasal application and oil pulling therapy. Nasal application can be done by applying sesame oil, coconut oil or ghee in both the nostrils in morning and evening. Oil pulling therapy can be done by taking 1 tablespoon of sesame or coconut oil in the mouth. Do not drink it and swish in the mouth for 2 to 3 minutes and spit it off, followed by warm water rinse. Some of the Ayurvedic immunity enhancing tips are: take Chyawanprash in the morning, drink herbal tea or decoction made from tulasi, cinnamon, black pepper, dry ginger and raisin. Add jaggery or lemon juice to your taste. Drink golden milk, which is made of half teaspoon of turmeric powder in 150 ml of hot milk once or twice a day. Finally, let me suggest you some of the immune boosting foods. We can take orange, sweet lime, pineapple, berries, papaya, kiwi, guava and tomatoes. And in vegetables we can take carrot, spinach, cabbage, cauliflower, brinjal and capsicum, and we can also eat almonds and walnuts. And consume 2 to 3 liters of water, coconut water, green tea, freshly homemade vitamin C, fruit juices, milk and buttermilk. Okay friends, this is all about Vyadhi Kshamatva. To lead a happy and healthy life, we all need to have a good immunity. So everyone try to maintain a good immunity, stay strong, stay healthy and fight against coronavirus. Thank you. We'll meet you soon in the next video. Bye.